Well, hello, folks. This is going to be part two of this well drilling that I had done out in Perrin. And today, Erwin Well Drilling came out and finished installing the pump in the well. Those guys were really good. They did a great job, and I cannot wait to get it finished, wired up, and plumbed into the barn and plumbed into the trailer. So without any further ado, let's get into the video, and we sure do thank y'all for clicking on this one. Alright, so the boys from Erwin made it out. There's two of them. Oh, Carlos. Looks like they're going to put some, it's going to be 1-inch pipe going down in there is what they're doing. Hey Carlos, how do they know what horsepower? Does it depend on the length or?
It depends on the depth.
The depth, I mean, yeah, how deep?
And how much water it makes.
So how do you determine how much water that it makes? I mean, did he determine that when he dug it before?
Yeah, when they drill it.
Yeah.
That's when they test, how much water it makes. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I haven't looked at the log yet.
Yeah.
But we'll look at it here in a minute.
Oh, cool. Yeah. So Carlos has done this like 4 or 5 times, cleaning that loose debris out of the bottom, kind of taking a look at the gravel that's inside that tube when it comes out of there. And I'm thinking he wants to do that until there's not much of anything coming out with the water. And the last time they just emptied it out, as you saw, there wasn't hardly any gravel. It was just mostly water. Man, that's beautiful. Beautiful. is that top piece?
Pressure relief valve.
Yeah. Perfect.
$14 a minute.
14 gallons a minute. Nice.
It's funny because I think Harmony was getting scammed on bales of hay. Yeah, when they came out and did mine, it seemed like it was a big old deal, and they take one at a
Yeah,
time.
they did. They dropped them down one at a time. It was fast though.
And they don't cement it together. It's just,
It's got Teflon tape, not Teflon tape, but Teflon and
but not glue, right?
No.
When you
We want to be able to take it
when you
apart,
pull it
yeah.
up, you'll take them off, right? Yeah.
yeah.
Have you ever done like windmill ones and stuff? Are they the same?
Yeah, there's some. We actually have a working barrel here.
What is that?
Well, it goes at the very bottom of the windmill,
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
and then you got your valves with the leathers.
How do those do? They do pretty good, windmills? How many
Uh,
gallons can you get out of a windmill a day? Does it?
Yeah, I don't know what the stroke is on them, but we don't do much. If we do, they're usually going to solar.
That's what I was telling him. I think it's cheaper too to do it solar.
Yeah, we'll pull everything out of the well and run solar.
Uh-huh.
Which is the same as this. You just have some solar panels over here.
¿Está bueno? ¿Es todo?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Guys, thank you. Carlos,
All right, no
thank
problem.
you very much. Thank you so much, Jared. Appreciate it. Appreciate your hard work.